Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that may sound counterintuitive, but it's all about how to be miserable for the rest of your life. If you're eager to learn some not-so-great habits that can keep you feeling down, then keep on watching. Have you ever wondered what it takes to remain in a constant state of dissatisfaction and unhappiness? Well, look no further because we've got the recipe for misery right here. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Start your day on the wrong foot. The first step to ensuring a miserable existence is to wake up whenever you want to. Forget about setting a reasonable wake-up time and make sure you start your day when everyone else is already ahead of you. By skipping simple morning routines like making your bed or showering, you can set the tone for a day filled with low self-respect. Step 2. Embrace chaos in your living space. Next, make sure your house is always a complete disaster. Keep every room cluttered and disorganized to reinforce the belief that your life is in chaos. This visual reminder will help you stay in a negative mindset. Step 3. Procrastinate like a pro. When the urge to be productive strikes, just ignore it. Put off important tasks like cleaning or work and convince yourself that you'll have plenty of time later. By delegating responsibilities to your future self, you'll never feel accountable for your actions. Step 4. Look busy, but achieve nothing. Appear productive by opening a document and browsing social media instead of doing actual work. This illusion of busyness will prevent you from making any real progress in life. Step 5. Wait for opportunities to come to you. Instead of actively seeking growth or new experiences, sit back and wait for things to magically fall into your lap. By avoiding taking any initiative, you can remain stagnant and unfulfilled. If you found these steps helpful in your quest for misery, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to sabotage your happiness. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.